Hey, why does this channel exist? I figured it would be good to kind of level set here so that I can make sure that you're joining me on this journey. In the end, I want you to enjoy wine. In the spirit of election season, right? That is what I want for you, and it's why I want you to watch these videos. Um, More people need to enjoy wine. But wine is a very complicated subject. It's generally exclusionary and it's intimidating. If you don't have a base level of knowledge, people in the wine trade make you seem like you're a moron and they talk down to you. You know, they use lots of wine terms. They discuss the merits of soil composition and terroir and winemaking, and frankly, most of it's unnecessary. I'm here to empower you with fundamentals that you can take to a store or to a restaurant and make great choices for your drinking pleasure. And because that's the only thing that matters. If you want pomp and circumstance and decanters and all kinds of different pieces of wine paraphernalia, there's going to be plenty of time for pomp and circumstance later. But I hope you subscribe and join me.